Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you to my GATE class. Now I am continuing with the 2018 Instrumentation Engineering paper. The next problem. It is on superposition theorem. In the given circuit, superposition is applied. There are two sources, V1, V2. When V2 is set to 0, the current I2 is minus 6 amperes. When V1 is set to 0, the current I1 is plus 6 amperes. Current I3 when both sources are applied will be dash. Especially in this problem, students have to be very cautious about the directions of current, because in this problem the for voltage sources polarity is not marked. Therefore, we have to be very careful. Otherwise, a mistake will be committed. So take care of the directions. Now first, V2 is set 0, V2 is set 0, V2 is set 0 and V1. Now I2 is minus 6 amps. I2 is shown in this direction, I2 is shown in this direction. So it is negative, minus 6 means it is flowing like this. Therefore, it is flowing like this. That is 6 amperes. You need not attach minus sign. Once you show the direction, you need not have to mark negative sign. So minus 6 amperes. Now for this condition, 6 amperes means this is plus, this is minus. What is the voltage drop? The voltage drop is 6 into 2, 12. 12 volts. So this 2 ohms is in parallel with 6. Therefore, here also the voltage is 12 volts. Now 12 volts positive, negative. Therefore I3 flows in this direction. Therefore what is current here? The current is 12 divided by 6. That is 2 amperes. Now I will call this current as I3 dash, because this is superposition theorem. Therefore I3 dash is equal to, in this direction, 2 amperes. In this direction, 2 amperes. Now let us come to the other part. If you come to the other part, now V1 is shorted, and V2 is connected, then V2 is connected, V1 is shorted. Now I will call this current as I3 double dash. Now the current I1 is plus 6 amperes. So it is flowing like this, 6 amperes. So if 6 amperes is flowing like this, this is plus, this is minus. 6 into 3, 18 volts. Now this 3 ohms is in parallel with 6 ohms. 3 ohms is in parallel with 6 ohms. So having marked plus minus, so here also you have to mark plus minus. That means I3 dash will be downwards. I3 double dash will be downwards. 18 volts divided by 6, that is 3 amperes. So I3 double dash is 3 amperes downwards. Now apply superposition theorem. Therefore, what is I3? I3 is I3 dash plus I3 double dash. That is equal to 2 minus, I will use minus sign for this, 2 minus 3. That is minus 1 ampere. That means 2 amperes in the upward direction, 3 amperes in the downward direction, or you forget about minus sign. So 1 ampere answer, it is flowing like this. Answer is 1 ampere, because it is marked I3. I3 direction is always downwards, as it is marked in the problem. Therefore, answer is 1 ampere. Thank you.